Hey guys, I'm at the World of Concrete trade show. We're at the Milwaukee booth. I'm here with Becca. Becca, thanks for having us.
Yeah, absolutely.
So Becca's going to go over the 10 1/4, brand new 10 1/4 M18 saw, right?
Yeah,
Fuel saw.
absolutely.
This just came out this year?
Yeah, so it's going to be shipping in summer.
Summertime.
Yeah,
All right.
summer
Can you
this
tell
year.
me, walk me through some of the specs, the depth of cut?
Yeah, absolutely. So really great aspects about this saw is it's going to be the most powerful as well as the lightest weight. 10 1/4 circular saw. So this will be 10.3 pounds bare tool.
Bare tool, yeah.
Yeah, 13.6 with our forged 12-0, which we'll kit with for optimum performance. The cut depth on this is going to be 3 13/16, allowing you to cut through 4x material.
Perfect.
One
4x6,
single pass. The other really great feature about this that we're really passionate about is going to be a safety feature that we actually implemented into this saw. It's going to be our auto stop advanced kickback protection. So being able to detect when severe kickbacks happen, stop that blade faster than a human hand can react.
Excellent. And this is your bevel. It's set up like a regular circular saw. Big hook on the end here.
Yep.
I'm guessing there's only maybe 2 other cordless competitors out there right now. So you're fresh to the market, really.
Yeah.
Right?
Third to the market in terms of
Third
cordless.
to the market. Okay.
However, we're going to have that cordless compatibility with that M18 lineup, allowing you to put M18 tool, M18 battery, anything that you would have. It's going to maintain that compatibility on that system.
Nice. Now, let's say I can't get a 10 1/4 blade.
Yeah, you can put a 10-inch blade on this,
blade?
and you're still able to complete that application cutting through 4x material as well.
What's the depth of cut with this blade on a bevel, 45 bevel?
45 bevel, it's going to be 2 3/4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Can I make a couple of cuts?
Absolutely.
I'm gonna turn the vacuum on here so we don't make a mess.
Yep, exactly.
Pretty light.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, very smooth.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
Awesome.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, guys.